Hello there, I am Bacon. Some people think that noob is the first person when they log in into Roblox, but no, it's a default avatar or a bacon, and I'm reacting to fake anti-piracy screens. Enough with the blabber, let's watch the goofy anti-piracy screens. Speeding this up. We are lagging for 4, 3, 2, 1. Get interrupted, y'all.
We're on!
Wait, what? You never said there'd be cameras.
Welcome to Duolingo's Duocon 2022! We're
Not so happy.
You could join us, aren't we, Lily? Lily?
Over the moon.
Duolingo is passionate about the world of language. Languages are how we share our stories, how we connect as humans. Learning new languages brings us closer together. And as we
Speeding this up. Some music for you.
Hi there.
Shut the hell up.
Here. Who's been hosting Duolingo?
Bacon, why you ask?
I want to tell you that you're a pirate Duolingo. And into this TV. Yep, I knew it. This is a serious crime to copy versions channels. It's just Duolingo, Duolingo Max, Super Duolingo, Duolingo Math, and Duolingo ABC. Doing stuffs will blow up to 5 years in the prison. If you're not the one who did this, call 911. The police will be here shortly towards the guy who did it. But if you're one who did it, turn off your TV, little dweeb.
How to type 911. You're not funny, green bird. Also, what was that laugh?
Everything okay there, Bacon?
Yep, I'm fine.
You never listen to me.
And I don't care. It's really not scary. I've seen lots of these anti-piracy screens when I was con. Please, stop.
Okay, you asked for this.
I hate you.
This is the end of you. Now you will stay in jail for 5 years. Goodbye forever, criminal.
Not again. I do not want to do part 2.